So in today's video, we are going to be going through my entire jeweled footwear collection. Lots of pretty colors to see, different styles, and as you guys know, I love a bit of bling on my shoes. I think it brightens up any outfit, but by no means are jeweled shoes just for dressy occasions. I wear them a lot with pants and dresses and jeans as well. So if you are looking for a pair of jeweled shoes and you want to see my entire jeweled collection, then keep on watching. So first up, we have a pair of Manolo Blahniks, and this style is called the Lurum. These are the satin Lurum mules. And let's just take a look at the beautiful crystal strap. I just love how they've adorned the crystals and the placement of the crystals on the strap. These shoes are so comfortable as well. The heel height is 90 millimeters. I love them so much that yes, I had to get them in black as well. I mean, black with crystals, so classy, but they come in so many different colors. Leather lining, leather sole, and the beautiful satin upper. These are a pair of shoes that are certainly elegant, opulent, and stunning. Next up are definitely one of the hottest shoes, I would say, for the past few seasons, and these are the Amina Muaddi BIRKIN slingback pumps. Firstly, how gorgeous is that beautiful brooch crystal starburst detail? I just love that embellishment. But what Amina's known for is her heel. Can you see that flared base? I mean, that acts as the perfect supportive pedestal. These shoes are really comfortable. They come in at about 95 millimeters high, and yeah, just that heel makes the shoe look so cool and a bit edgy as well. Another brand that is very well known for their decorative shoes, I would say, is Dolce & Gabbana. So these floral pumps I picked up, I believe, from the Outnet, and I think they were like 60 to 70% off. They were such a steal. But yeah, I am a sucker for florals, as you guys know. So when I saw these on sale, I thought I just had to get them. And this is another one I think I bought 4 years ago, probably from Farfetch. And let's just take a look at the heel detail. I love those two clocks. I mean, Dolce & Gabbana shoes are very intricate, and I know whenever I wear these boots, the upper is in patent, I always get so many compliments. So I love that with Dolce & Gabbana, more is more in terms of their shoes, and sometimes they can be like really pieces of artwork in themselves. Another very famous shoe designer is none other than Choo. These are the Bing slip-on mules, and I bought these in Hawaii when they first launched a couple of years ago. The crystal strap is just beautiful on this shoe. It is in patent and it comes in different heel heights. The one that I have on is the 65 millimeters, and I definitely can walk all day in these. But these do come in the flats and also a higher heel if you were interested. So up next is a very fun pair of shoes. These are by the brand By Far, and this is called their Tanya sandal. And I only picked these up a few months ago. I should say Miss S picked them because they're in rainbow. How fun are they? They're kind of 90s inspired, and I also really liked the square toe and the block heel, which makes the shoe very comfortable. So I don't have a pair of rainbow sandals, and when I saw these, or Miss S saw them, I thought that would be the perfect addition to my collection. Also, something very similar which I wanted to showcase as well. This is sort of like a dupe of it, not quite a dupe, but this is by the brand Ego, and they have some really well-priced shoes, and they tend to do dupes of a lot of the designer brands, but they're not exactly the same. This one was, I think, less than $40, but I love the perspex heel, the crystal straps obviously. So if you were looking for a more affordable option, as much as I love designer, sometimes I do like to buy a few high street shoes. So up next is an oldie but a goodie. It's not a designer brand nor a high street brand. It's actually from an Australian brand here that I used to buy shoes and accessories for many moons ago. And I remember I love these pair of shoes. They're over 12 years old, I think, and it's got this little kitten heel, and the leather, you can't tell, but is in this super soft nappa, and I love the clear beads on it. It's made in Spain, and it's just a very sentimental shoe. So I've saved the best for last, my favorite jewel encrusted pump, and they're none other than the Manolo Blahnik Hangises or Hangises. So what can I say about these shoes? They are just divine. They're my favorite, and as you can see, this is the purple pair that I have on. They come in 4 different heel heights, which I will show you a bit later. I own 2 of them. This one in the bright red is just stunning. I find that I use my red ones a lot. So the red ones here are the 105mm heels. Also, just a little fun fact, did you know this style was created approximately in 2008, so it's 12 years old, and each buckle is adorned with 144 crystals. They do also come in 90mm and 70mm. So this beige pair with the matching rose sort of gold buckle, this is the 70mm heel height, which is really comfortable for all day wear if you didn't want anything too high. It also comes in 50mm as well, and it also comes in flats. Actually, these Hangises have been interpreted in all different variations, but the most popular is definitely the blue, made famous by Sex and the City when Big proposed to Carrie. I mean, that was just a oh my goodness oh moment, right? And went down in history as one of the most romantic proposals. So if you were looking to add a pair of jeweled shoes, I think the Hangises are a classic, and every girl needs a pair in their collection. And especially the ones in the royal blue color. I mean, we all need a pop of color in our lives. And I just love that Manolos offer all the different variation in heel heights, so really it would suit any woman. So that is it, guys. That is my entire jeweled footwear collection. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and let me know if you would like to see any other brands and you like this sort of format. Thank you so much for watching. Big kisses, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.